In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Todoist project with a link. If you collaborate with teammates or need to quickly loop someone in, sending a direct project link is one of the fastest ways to get everyone on the same page. Let's walk through it together. First, open your favorite web browser and go to Todoist. Make sure you're signed into the account that holds the project you want to share. If you work with multiple workspaces, glance at the top of the app to confirm you're in the right one so you don't copy a link from the wrong place. Next, head to the project you want to share. You can find it in the left sidebar under your projects list. Click the project name to open it so you can see its tasks and sections. Having the project open ensures the share option you're about to use applies to this exact project. Look to the upper right corner of the project view. You'll see a share control there, often labeled share, and sometimes shown with an icon like an arrow or a person with a plus sign. Click Share, and in the menu that appears, choose Copy Link. The moment you do, Todoist copies the project's share link to your clipboard. Many browsers show a small confirmation, but even if you don't see a message, the link is ready to paste. From here, you're done with the app. Paste the link wherever you need it: an email, a chat thread, a task comment, or a calendar invite. On Windows and Linux, use Ctrl+V to paste. On Mac, use Command+V. The recipient can follow that link to access the project according to your workspace's sharing rules. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Only share the link with people who should see the project because links can grant access to all tasks inside it. If you don't see the share option, you may not have permission to share that project, so check with an admin or owner. On mobile, the share action lives in the three-dot menu at the top of the project view, and when you paste the link, consider adding a short note about why you're sharing it, so your teammates know what to look for when they open it. That's it. You've copied and shared your Todoist project link in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.